Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings. From the Settings page, choose Domains. Here you will see the option to connect an existing domain. Click on Connect Existing Domain. A new box will appear asking you to enter the domain name that you own. Type in your domain name exactly as it is registered. Shopify will then display the DNS settings you need to configure in your Namecheap account. After that, you have to update your DNS record by going to Namecheap and selecting your domain. After you have updated the records on Namecheap, go back to Shopify tab and click on I updated DNS record button. Shopify will check your domain settings. If everything is correct, you will see a message saying that your domain is successfully connected. Once the domain is connected, you can set it as your primary domain. That is how you connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify using the Connect Existing Domain method.